Hi, I'm AJ Wilcox. I'm the chief LinkedIn ads fanatic here at b2linked.com. There are so many objectives to choose from on LinkedIn ads. One that I have a real love-hate relationship with is the engagement objective. The reason I hate it is that when you're bidding by the click, which is the cheapest way to pay for traffic on LinkedIn 90% of the time, LinkedIn considers any engagement within the ad a click. Sure, you may pay a lower cost per click, like $2 to $4 on average, but those clicks are most often likes, comments, and the dreaded see more on your intro copy that goes over 160 characters. As an aside, I hate paying for see more clicks. It's an absolute waste of money. These are rarely clicks that bring you meaningful value as an advertiser, like clicking on your actual call to action that would take them to your landing page. So especially when you have access to the website visits objective, which charges you only when someone clicks on the link to your website, that's a much better value usually. All right, so when should you use the engagement objective? There are 2 times that I actually recommend using it. Number 1 is for thought leader ads, because the only other option that we have for thought leader ads right now is the brand awareness objective, which is the least useful objective that LinkedIn offers. And number 2, use it anytime that you run an ad that you actually want people to engage with. If you were specifically looking to optimize for things like likes and comments and shares, or when you don't have a landing page to actually send someone to, you can use the engagement objective for that. For more awesome LinkedIn ads, tips, tricks, and how-tos, make sure to subscribe to the LinkedIn Ads Show podcast. And if you want to become a LinkedIn Ads 1%er, come join my private community at fanatics.b2linked.com. I'll see you there.